It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
Hey, my name is Mitch. What you're seeing now is a 1998 Jaguar XJR, also known as the X308. This car came with a whopping 370 horsepower and 387 pound-feet of torque. This Jaguar sold for $70,924. In today's money, that is $108,000. The X308 ran from 1997 until 2003. Ford purchased Jaguar in 1990. They finally got rid of the inline 6 12-cylinder. They came up with the first V8, which is called the AJ26. The issue with these engines were the nickel liners that would usually fail because of the high sulfur in the gasoline at the time, and also the timing chain, tensioners, and guides that were made of plastic. Around the year 2000, Jaguar realized there was an issue with these engines, so what Jaguar did, because these cars were still under factory warranty, they replaced a lot of the engines, and also under the factory warranty, they replaced all the tensioners with metal. What Jaguar did not do, and I'm sorry to say, is they didn't do a national recall on these problems with the engine. You can get one of these cars that are very dependable. Make sure that the tensioners have been done, car's been updated, you'll be good to go for 300,000 miles at least. The XJR is one of the fastest cars built in the 1990s. 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. The car is so powerful, Jaguar had to use a heavy-duty transmission. It was a 5-speed automatic, a Mercedes-Benz 5G Tronic. This car also had a 155 mile-an-hour limiter. Special note, if you find one of these engines with the original nickel liners, you'll be okay. They only failed because of the high levels of sulfur in the gasoline. Thanks for watching.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!